Do you love capturing magical moments, heartfelt smiles, and those beautiful I do moments? Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to start your very own wedding photography business. First, research the market. Understand your area's demand, identify your competition, and learn from their successes and mistakes. Next, develop your photography skills. Mastering lighting, composition, and candid shots is crucial. Practice mock weddings to feel confident capturing genuine emotions. Choose your niche and style, maybe candid, traditional, or photojournalistic. This unique style will set you apart and attract your ideal clients. Then, write a business plan outlining your goals, target audience, pricing, and market strategy. Solid plan gives you direction and focus. Budgeting comes next. Calculate expenses for equipment, software, and marketing, and have a reserve for emergencies. Speaking of equipment, invest in high-quality gear. You'll need a reliable DSLR or mirrorless camera, lenses, flashes, and backup equipment. Weddings are unpredictable, so invest in tools that won't fail you. Next, master photo editing software like Adobe Lightroom and Photoshop. Efficient editing ensures you deliver stunning photos quickly. Then build your portfolio by shooting free or discounted weddings to showcase your best work and variety. This is essential to attract your first paying clients. Remember to register your business. Pick a memorable name and ensure that you have all the required licenses and permits. Set your pricing carefully. Research local rates and offer packages that suit different budgets. Then, create a professional website showcasing your portfolio, services, and client reviews. Make it easy for potential clients to contact you. Social media is your marketing powerhouse. Use Instagram and Pinterest to share your work, engage with followers, and expand your reach. To get more referrals, network with wedding vendors like planners, florists, and venues. Building these relationships will boost your visibility. Develop airtight contracts and agreements. Clearly outline your terms, payments, and deliverables to protect yourself and your clients. Consult a lawyer for a peace of mind kind of feeling, and always have a backup solution in place. Use cloud storage and external drives to safeguard your photos. Plan a comprehensive marketing strategy. Use SEO, social media, and Google Ads to promote your services. Offering off-season discounts can attract more clients. Throughout, focus on delivering an exceptional client experience. Be professional, communicative, and friendly, from inquiry to final photo delivery. Stay organized using project management tools to track bookings and deadlines. Request reviews and referrals from happy clients, because positive feedback boosts your credibility and brings in new business. Finally, keep learning and improving. Stay up to date with trends and keep honing your skills through workshops and continuous practice. If you have any questions or confusion about starting a wedding photography business, then please write in the comment section. We love it when you comment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel to get future business growth tips and more. Thank you so much for watching.